Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to move files from Google Drive to iCloud. For that you just need to go and open your file app, and there you need to go to your browse that is right here, and then go on and tap on edit, and you need to toggle the switch for Google Drive to on and ensure the Google Drive app is installed and signed in. And then after that, after toggling on this Google Drive, tap on this tick sign, and after that you need to move your files. Go to your Google Drives that is right here and tap on turn on, and there you can see your folder. Just tap on that and you will see, and there you will see a button to copy and move, and there you need to tap on and now you need to go back, and there you need to find iCloud Drive, and you need to choose a destination. For that I'm creating a new folder. Go there and give it a long press and tap on paste, and that is how you move your files from Google Drive to iCloud. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.